This is why President Mnangagwa's recent statements are making headlines worldwide. Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has firmly dismissed claims of scandals within his administration. This comes after international organizations raised alarms over alleged human rights violations, including abductions and torture. Mnangagwa has issued a stern warning to the Southern African development community ahead of the 44th SADC summit. He emphasized that Zimbabwe will not tolerate any attempts to disrupt the event, insisting that the nation is committed to peace and stability. Diplomatic tensions have recently flared between Zimbabwe and Zambia, with Mnangagwa accusing the U.S. of militarizing Zambia to isolate Zimbabwe. Zambia has refuted these claims, seeking mediation from the African Union and SADC. As the international community closely watches, the upcoming SADC summit is seen as a pivotal moment for regional cooperation and development. Will Mnangagwa's firm stance and warnings resonate, or will the allegations overshadow the summit's goals? Stay tuned for more updates.